For use with 12, 24 and 32 volt marine electrical systems. Capacity 250 amps continuous, 360 amps intermittent. Ignition protected. Built with quality materials. Top reviews from the United States. Far better product than Attwood. Tried 3 times to use an Attwood switch on my boat. All 3 failed right out of the new package. Contacted Attwood and was told tough it's a defect but you waited too long to open it. Really? It's brand new. Problem could be resolved by adding locknuts on the battery studs, but no. That would reduce our profit too severely, so we'll keep making and sending out inferior defective product. Bought Perko instead and am very pleased. I let Attwood know they lost a long-time customer who will buy Perko from now on. So much for Made in America.